ChainBreaker is a microbial product, with multiple strains of bacterium known to degrade hydrocarbon constituents. This well produces from the Navarro sand at 950 feet. Prior to being shut in for 6 years, it produced a half a barrel a day. Vertical production wells are treated down the backside and are then shut in for several days. After treatment, the well flowed like this at 3 barrels per day for 30 days. For the last 3 years, the well has continued to produce 3 barrels per day on a rod pump, and is treated with ChainBreaker on a 21-day cycle.